Jason Pond. I'm the VP of Brewing Operations here at Hangar 24 Craft Brewery, giving you a quick tour of what our facility is and how we make a batch of beer. Most of our grain is in this silo. This is the 2-row malted barley that is the base malt for the majority of our beers. Continuing in the process, we also do have specialty malts. Specialty malts come in a bag like this. We then take the bag and the 2-row malt from outside and it goes through our mill here. The mill is what crushes the grain and exposes the inside of it so we can actually convert those starches into sugars. The milled grain moves from the mill over into our grist case up here. From there, it moves down into our mash lauter tun. This is where we create the oatmeal-like mixture that is the mash. That's where we start converting the sugars and get everything we need for fermentation. Once we're done with the mash lauter, we actually do what's called a lauter. That's where we separate the sugar water that we call wort into the kettle here. And this is where we actually boil the wort. We also add the hops here and any other specialty items that we need as well. So once we're done with the boil kettle, the wort moves into the whirlpool. The whirlpool is where we separate out all the hops and the protein matter that breaks out during the boil, and it does create an actual whirlpool action as well. We do add the fruits for the oranges in the whirlpool as well too. Continuing on in the journey of making a beer, we move into the cellar. This is where the fermentation happens and the yeast actually makes beer. So during the fermentation, the yeast chomps on the sugars that we created in the brew house, and it excretes CO2 and alcohol. So after fermentation is done, we need to move the beer into the bright beer tank. And to be a bright beer, the beer needs to be filtered or centrifuged. This is our centrifuge. So this is how we clarify the beer after fermentation to move to the bright tank for packaging.